You're a new UX designer. Yes, I'm talking to you. Hi, this is Josh from the Mockplus team. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a wireframe using Mockplus, an all-in-one design and collaboration platform. Oh, hold on, if this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest tips and tricks for design. Wireframing is a framework used to display web pages or app structure, layout, content, and functions. It will show user journeys, user needs, and possible customer behavior. Its purpose is to present how the product will work and what it will be. More in-depth details such as its style, color, and image are not taken into consideration at this time. The wireframe will then go through the whole process of UX design, from expressing your concepts to producing the final products. First, wireframing can move the overall understanding of your concepts forward. Second, make sure everything goes on the same page to confirm whether the way you want to express the features is what the product managers or website operator requires. Third, check feasibility from developers to ensure whether the features of the app and the way to show the website can be achieved or not. A fabulous wireframe can help create strong and customer-focused products. That's the reason why wireframing is one of the most important parts in UX design. Wireframing has two types based on how you create it. They are paper and digital. If you do not need a lot of detail, for example, you don't need to show the functions and user journey, drawing one by hand will be a great choice. But if there are many functions that you need to display, creating a digital wireframing using tools like Mockplus will be a more appropriate way. To create a paper wireframe, all you need is a pen and paper. Just draw the basic structure of the web pages or apps you have in your mind. If you need to create a digital wireframe, Mockplus will help create your first wireframe faster and easier. It's a free web-based app that offers pre-made icons, components, and templates to help you create your own UI or UX design in minutes. Here we go. This is the user interface of Mockplus RP, Rapid Prototyping Tool. In the left-hand menu, it's easy to find your projects via Recently Edited, My Favorites, Created by My Tabs, and more. You can directly create a new project and select a size of the device provided to start your wireframe work. But I'm going to show you an amazing feature. In the pop-up windows, there is a free templates icon at the bottom left corner. Let's have a look. Wow, as you can see, there are many wireframe templates for you to choose from. Let's select the Microsoft Teams template. Now you can preview all the pages of the template using the left menu. Click the Edit and Save button to send the template to Mockplus RP. First, press Click to save the template to your Mockplus account. Now you can modify the template using basic components such as text boxes, buttons, checkboxes, and more. By double-clicking or drag and drop, or draw exactly what you want using the vector-based pencil and pen tools. Select something you added. Now you can modify the properties as you like. With the Interactions tab in the right menu, you can add interactions to any component, icon, or asset. For example, this button, you can set one-click or double-click interactions to jump to the other page. You can also click the Preview button to quickly preview and test out the interactions. That's everything you need to create a wireframe. If you need to share your wireframe with your leaders, product managers, or developers, you can publish the wireframe to Mockplus Cloud using the Publish button. After publishing successfully, you can share the project with those who need to review your wireframe and collect their comments and feedback directly on the screen. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.